Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Monday, April 15th. Happy tax day. So this is a recap. Wild, kind of a crazy day, actually. A pretty significant chain of events it went from a really bad day to actually a really good day. So I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy, even though we had some mistakes today. Things definitely did not go as planned, especially in the morning. But let's just dive right in. So this morning, oh man, we had this big sell-off and huge move lower. I mean, everything is easy to see in hindsight, right? I'll kind of give my thought process, even though it was maybe wrong. You can disagree with it. That's okay. Obviously, I wish I wouldn't have taken the trade. We had a big move lower. It was very aggressive selling, and I was pretty biased short to the short side. I was looking for a short entry, and I was just looking for a little bit of a pullback to get in. And we had this big red bar. And then we had this pullback and I entered. It was an aggressive entry. And of course, this thing just proceeded to rip like 60 points against me. And I had my stop originally right here. This is where I made a mistake. I had my stop above this opening range, 15-minute opening range low. And yeah, I panicked out. I just panicked. And I thought, I thought it's going to hit my stop anyway. I might as well save myself $100. And I took the trade off. And that to me, I mean, yeah, you can argue about my entry all you want. I agree. But me closing this trade up here when my stop was up here, that was the mistake. And that's what I was really upset about this morning. I do apologize. My stream this morning probably was not very good. Started off with that trade and I was not in a good mood. I was not having a good time. So I hate when I do that. So I do apologize. Anyway, I did try to make some of it back here. This was then my final trade of the day. This was just this here. This is a bad trade going against the trend, very similar to what I did Friday. And, I paid the price for it. At that point, it was pretty bad. And I actually, right here is where I ended stream. And I actually, using Guardian Angel Trader, I shut down my trading for an hour. With Guardian Angel Trader, you can shut down your trading for a specified amount of time. You can do it for a whole day or shut it down until the next day, or you can do it for a certain amount of time. So I decided I'm going to shut it down for an hour. I went out and I started mowing the lawn, kind of reset my mind, cleared my mind really. And when I came back, we were making this big move lower. And yeah, I really liked the shorts then. I was really convinced. I was trying not to be too biased, but I was really felt really good about taking shorts, taking short trades. So once that hour was up, I decided, hey, I'm going to take a couple short trades. If they work out, great. If I get stopped out, I'm going to turn off my trading for the day and be done with it. And it went really well. It went really well. Let's just go to our other accounts. So first, let's address the bad, okay? So this account here is gone. I actually thought I had a little bit of drawdown left in it, but I checked in Rhythmic and it says admin only, which means it's gone. So a moment of silence for that account. This was me revenge trading. 100% revenge trading, and it was terrible. It happened somewhere in here, And that was also part of the reason my morning was just really bad. Anyway, I turned off my trading, like I said, for an hour. I came back and we started doing really well. All of these accounts were basically one, maybe two trades. We were selling off so fast that my 22 ticks would get filled almost instantly. And it was a fun time. But I actually had my target. I changed my target to 44 ticks on some of these. And yeah, it was a great time to go short, and I made use of it. And it was fun. So yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 accounts across the profit threshold. Let's go. So we have 16,000 in payouts that I will probably, I was trying to think if I want to wait to request the payout until, maybe I can get these two. My hope is I can get these two tomorrow. So this account that's $10 negative. So that was my first trade where I got stopped out, and I took a $480 loss on this account. I was going short, and we just at the wrong time, and we got one of those big bounces, and I killed it, and I was like $480 loss. So I was able to make it back, kind of scalping my way back. I was actually positive like $40 or so. And then the next trade started going against me, and I just killed it for break even. It ended up filling me for a $10 loss, but whatever. Decided at that point, when that happened, is when I shut down my trading for the day. That was literally maybe 25 minutes ago. So I shut down my trading for the day. I am really happy with how the day is ending compared to how it started. So I will take it. Obviously, we lost this account. This was the account that we had taken a big loss on. What was it, Friday? And so I'm not that sad about losing that account. This account here, we have $1,700 of drawdown left, and we need about $800 more in profit to get to the payout threshold. I will probably be a little bit aggressive on this account the next couple days just to see if we can't get it to a payout. But if not, it's okay. Maybe that account will make it to the next payout threshold in the next payout request time frame. So my main goal is if I can get these two accounts to a payout in the next two days or so, I would be super excited. But compared to how the day started, it really, really did help to take an hour break and go mow the lawn. Mowing the lawn for me is like a therapy session. Just allows me to clear my mind and collect my thoughts. And yeah, it was just really, obviously maybe it won't always go like that, but it was really good. And I came back and decided, hey, I'm going to allow myself one trade. And if it goes against me and I get stopped out, I'm done for the day. And I entered on the first trade. It literally hit my target within, I think it was like 5 seconds. It was one of those really, really quick trades, which I love. So anyway, 16,000 in payouts, probably going to request those tonight. I don't know yet. I think I'm going to request those tonight, or maybe I'll wait till tomorrow night, just in case we can get these two accounts above the threshold, and then we could request the 10. But at the same time, on these accounts, I'm a little bit of in a dilemma because my rebilling. So these accounts I pay the monthly fee for. Now, obviously, if I'm getting a payout, it's not like I can't afford to pay the reoccurring monthly fee, but it's more about 10, 11 accounts getting rebilled at $85 a pop is still almost $900. So I kind of want to get a buffer in those accounts if I can. and before then. And if I happen to lose some accounts, before the 21st, then it's kind of like it's okay. But we'll see. We'll play it by ear. But this also, we have one account, I forget which one it is, that we've now requested our second payout from. So that's a new milestone as well. Obviously, 16, that brings our total payouts to 46,000 for the year, which is awesome. I'm just really excited and happy to be getting a payout again. So hopefully we can keep it up. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Thanks everyone for putting up with my bad attitude this morning. I feel kind of dumb about it now, but it's all right. I might have banned some of you that might have not deserved it, so I'll go back and check. Anyway, it's great to have a ending or a good ending to the day. So we will catch you guys tomorrow, and hopefully we can recover this account. That's $400 that we took the big L today. Hopefully we can recover that account, and we'll see how it goes. All right, everybody, take care. Have a great rest of your day, and God bless.